Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and most of my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, let's get started. Today, I'm going to talk about my second hydropeptide product. HydroPeptide is a new brand to me. It's an American brand. All the products are made in USA. My first video is to a microdermabrasion two-step unit. And this is the one here. This is an excellent product. I'll put a link to the video down here. I've already done a video on this. So my second product today is to 5 times Power Peel. I'm such a lover of chemical peel, or what you call acid peel, or AHA, BHA peel. They all mean very much the same thing. It means using alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids to exfoliate your skin. That's what it means. And it usually comes in the form of little pads or in a liquid form. And this one's here, I thought I'll try this out. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the HydroPeptide brand, and they call it the 5 times Power Peel. Yeah, it comes in little sachets like this. And when you open it and you tear it open, and inside, this is quite damp actually, you get a pad like this. Yeah, this one is quite papery, the texture. So I'm not a fan of this texture. I prefer the soft cotton pad that you find in other brands, and you just wipe it all over your face, neck, décolleté, hands, and even your legs until the whole pad is dried out and you can throw it out. I'll just read to you the ingredients in this. Glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, citric acid, salicylic acid. There's a whole lot of fruit extract, citrus extract, lime peel extract, mandarin orange fruit extract, tangerine fruit extract. Main acids in here is your glycolic, lactic, salicylic, malic, mandelic acids. Even though they call this the 5 times, it's written here 5 times, I don't find these peel pads as powerful or as strong as my Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads that I've been using for yonks now, for quite a number of years now. I do find these pads quite weak. They also doesn't say in this packaging or in the website how many percentage of acid is in here. So to me, it's quite low strength. Yeah, I really don't see the initial glow and brightening that I usually see that comes along with using a chemical peel. Unfortunately, I won't be purchasing this product again. So sorry, HydroPeptide. I bought a full box, so I'm just going to use it up. This product I purchased from Adore Beauty in Australia. I just buy everything from their website, and this is 120 New Zealand dollars. So for 120 New Zealand dollars, there are 30 pads in here. So I find it quite pricey. Yeah, for what it is. Yeah, it's not very strong pads. Plus, there's only 30 in here. They're not bad products, but I just find that they are just a bit too expensive for what they are. I do like the microdermabrasion with the vitamin C crystals. So that is my verdict. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today and you find my video helpful, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.